Hey everybody, I hope you're doing all right, and I hope you are all signed into the new Google Classroom we have set up for you. So we're getting a lot of questions about doing a Kami document in Google Classroom. I know they're for the math assignments from Ms. Martinez. They are basically the math book pages presented to you as PDFs, and in order for you to edit a PDF, you have to open the assignment with Kami. So this is just a quick tutorial. I'll walk you through one of the math assignments and how you can do so. So from Google Classroom, every topic has its own subject. So here's math, and I will click on the assignment, lesson 4, unit 4. Now the directions say open with Kami and insert text box for answers. So to do so, you'll click on the PDF, and it will open up like this. Now, sitting here, you cannot type or edit on here. You need to go to the top and open with Kami, the blue box, open with Kami, and click that. Now, here is that same PDF, but with a toolbar drop down the left side so you can actually edit the PDF directly before you turn it back into Ms. Martinez. So the directions say to insert a text box. So if you go down right here, there's a large T and it says text box. If you click on that one time, you can then bring your cursor over to any of the questions that you're supposed to answer and click once. As soon as you click once, that will open up a text box that you can type into and insert any answers that you need to. So I would open the text box, click down, and type my answer there. And you'll be able to do so for every question on this worksheet. You'll just go through and for A, B, C, D, just click off to the side of it. And let me make it a little bigger. And you can just insert your answers off to the side, and every time you click down, it will allow you to type your answer. So just click, etc. So that's how it works. So again, you open with Kami, you'll choose text box, and then your cursor will now actively create text box as you click down on the screen. As soon as you have edited the document that was assigned to you, you will just go back to your Google Classroom for that assignment and submit or turn in whatever it says for you, and you will be set. So any assignments that are presented as a PDF with Kami, you just make sure that when you open them, you open with the blue Kami box on top. All right, everybody, let me go back here. Let me know if you have any further questions. You can reach out to any of us teachers, and we're happy to help. And hopefully you're getting your work done this week. And good luck with your Kami. Have a good one. Bye.